learning for this data set, use this. Welcome back to my channel. This is another project for immigrant to Canada. This data set have 39 columns, 195 values. So this is this one is 39 columns, means they put a country, content and region, development name, developing or not, okay, developing country or developed country, okay. So the other column, all of them is years, 1982 2013, and here they recorded 150 plus countries. Okay, here I am using for Kaggle notebook. When we use the Kaggle notebook, we click the new notebook for dataset, which dataset we are using. Then you click the new notebook. Then when new windows is open, here is the new window. So we get the new notebook space. Here all of them is a new. So we need to change the our name. Here we need to change the name to this name, okay, immigration to Canada 1082 2013, okay. This is our space. Our task is immigrant to by a content to Canada, immigrant by a developed category to Canada, immigrant to Canada by region from 1980 to 2013, top 5 countries for immigrant, top least 5 countries for immigrant, total immigrant to Canada to relationship, and immigrant from China, India, Sri Lanka. What is the, how is that graph is going? So immigrant by content by Canada. So first here is the what is the column is here. Here is country, content and region, developing or developed country, that column, and here is the years, okay. See, this is the years, and last one is total. This is our data set. So first we load the data set. Here already load the data set, so we need to import the library. First steps is we need to import library. Step 0, that means very important steps is first initial steps for import library and reading the data. First import library, import library, import numpy as np. Another one, import pandas. Pandas is a library, no? We use here, read the data and lots of things. We need to, pandas very important library, so we need to use this one. Pandas mean pt, okay. That's the data processing, reading which one is our CSV file reading, like that, okay. So another one, import matplotlib library, means this name knows what is that. We need to, when we need use the plotting, we use this library, matplot. Other one is import matplot library dot python lot as plt, okay, and import c1 as SNS. So when we use the pandas or Seaborn or NumPy, we use these small letters NP, PD and SNS. Okay, this is so we already import the library. So we need to what? We need to run this one. When we run, shift and enter is running. Here's something wrong. Math. Oh, Python plug. So we already run it here. When we click that from that dataset already load here. This dataset is here. Okay, see, this is a dataset CSV file. Okay, how many? 35 KB, like that. Okay, so next what we need to do, we need to read the dataset. How to read the dataset? Df equal to, df means our data frame. Maybe if you want data or whatever you want, our Canadian immigrant or like that, whatever you like, you can put here. So df, I put df means the data frame. PDF, see, this is a Pandas library, we use it. PDF read CSV. So Pandas library have this function CSV. Okay, otherwise we can't. And then what we need to do, we need to copy the this here, copy here. Okay, copy the this path, file path. So we already copy, but what we need to do, we need to, before that we need to put this one and then copy and paste. Okay, so then run it. How to run? Shift and enter. Okay, so import and reading the data, we already done this one. So initial steps done. Then step one, what we need to do, we need to understand the data. What data, that data set, what data in the data set. Okay, so we don't know how many rows, how many columns, what is the column names, what column type, and how to spread the data, how they give it, means they give a category value or integer value or float value or string value. We don't know anything, so we need to understand the domain or the data set. If we understand the data set, we know the domain. So first what we need to do, df head means what happened, we can get first some data. Okay, so this is 0 to 5 data, we can get it. So this is the data set. Okay, our data set: country, content, region, development, 19 years here total. Okay, so Algeria is the content is Africa, Northern Africa, developing country. They came here is a Canada. They came here is 1980 80 people, and 81 is 67 people, like that. But is 2005, lots of people are coming. Okay, so here total people 69,439. This is our data set. So country, we know, they give country and content, and region, which region that country is there, which content is that country is there, and that country is developing country or developed country. Developed country people, in this general opinion, our general opinion, developed country people not that much came in and Canada, but developing country mostly came here. Okay, because they need a job opportunity and they need a good life, so they came here. So this is our data set example. So we know df head, and then df tail means bottom of data set, tail. Okay, bottom of data set. See, this is our data set: Zimbabwe, Zambia, Jamin, West Sahara, like that. Okay, this is our data set. And tail. So our next is we need to know how many column and how many rows here. So what is the function for df shape? See, shape. Let's see. So 195 rows, 195 and 39 columns here, like that. Okay, and what we need to do, then we need to know columns. How many is a column names? We don't know column names. Okay, if you don't, this is small data set, but this is the column names: country, content, and region, and development. Okay, so this data set have these columns: country, continent, region, develop, div name, and years here. Okay, and total. So this is our data set columns. And what else we need to know? Data type, you know, we don't know the data type. So df info and or df data type, whatever. Info, we can put info. Okay, info. So here is here we know everything. Okay? 195 columns and 195 entries means rows, and 35 columns. And how many is memory use this data set? 59 KB. Okay, this 39 data set, what is the here is we know, simply we know the how many null value here no null value. Okay, and then this one is a data type, most of them integer data set, other one is object means string. Okay, so here is the data type, we know that. And what else we know we want? And describe df describe we want. So here we know that describe means we know the statistical values for standard deviation, mean, minimum, maximum, all of them for these integer values. See, so 1980 minimum is 0 people came here. Maximum is 222 45, like that. All of them is here. Okay. See, 2013 35,000 people came here. So this is our summary, like a summary. Okay, so all of them is data understanding. So now we know how many column, how many row, what is the column's name, and how data set look like, and what else, what is the data type, and we know we know that minimum, maximum, and standard deviation, each integers field or columns. So we little bit understand for our data set. Now we need to move for step 2 for data preparation. Data preparation means actually we are cleaning for data. We need to clean null value, we need to clean outliers, like that. So here identify the duplication and rename the columns, and sometimes if we need, we subset the data set, because we don't, it's 100 columns. If we have this 100 columns, we can't analyze that 100 columns. So we need to sort out the columns, or we need to drop in either relevant columns. So we need to make a subset, or we need to make a subset rows to row means million rows is there, we can't analyze that much data. So what we need to do, we can take a sample and analyze and then predict, oh, these samples give this result, so this data set give this results, like that. Okay, so here in steps 2 we need to do data preparations or data cleaning. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.